talking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless and we owned it. I can see it in your eyes, cause they never tell.
Have you ever tried to make extra money online while laughing and being entertained watching videos and playing games? Hello everyone, it's me again, Charlyn, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will share with you another application where we can earn extra money while laughing or having fun watching videos, answering trivias, or playing games. Yes, you heard it right. Pwede tayong kumita ng pera habang tumatawa at nanonood lamang ng video online using just your phone. At ituturo ko sa inyo where to download, how to register, and start earning. But before anything else, if you want to earn extra money online while staying at home or looking for new opportunities, tips, and ideas, subscribe to my channel now and hit the notification bell below so that you won't miss any of my new uploads. So, the application that I am referring to you guys is the Clipclaps, where you can get paid for your laughs. Now, where to find it? Just go to Play Store on your Android or smartphone and App Store on your iOS and click download. After you download, just go to the app and simply sign in or register using your mobile number or continue with your Facebook account. And if you are using a mobile number, they will send you a verification code to log in. And once you are logged in, you can now start earning rewards or cash. At dito sa Clipclap guys, you will earn coins which is convertible to cash. And you will also earn treasure chest or diamond chest which will give you a ticket to cash raffle and Amazon coupons. At ang bonus point guys, sa pag-sign up mo pa lang, meron ka ng $1 as a sign up bonus. And the best part of this app is you can earn coins or cash in 5 ways. First, you can earn by watching videos. Second, you can earn by playing games. Third, you can earn by fish farming. Fourth, you can earn by answering trivias. And last, you can earn through referrals. And now, I will show you how to start earning on Clipclaps by watching videos. Alright guys, so now I will show you step by step how to earn rewards or cash on this app. So first, you have to sign up or log in if you already have an account, as I mentioned earlier. At kung kaka-register mo pa lang, you have to set up your profile name, birthday, and gender. And make sure you input the correct details for payment purposes afterwards. And after that, it will redirect you to the main page where you can start earning rewards. At makikita nyo dito guys, meron siyang video tutorial where it shows how to collect your rewards. So you just need to click the video and the timer will start running to unlock your rewards. And then tap the rewards button to collect your prize. So, ganun lang kadali guys mag-earn ng clap coins or rewards by watching videos. And you can collect your prize instantly. You can easily earn clap coins which is convertible to cash, raffle ticket for $1 or $10, and Amazon coupons. And you will also receive $1 as a sign-up bonus. Just open the $1 reward and select any of the card and you can collect your cash. And go back to the dashboard. So, ganun lang kadali. You just need a few minutes of your time every day watching videos and get paid. At ang mapapansin nyo dito guys, most of their videos are funny. So you just can't stop laughing while watching. And by the way guys, meron ding technique kung paano mapapabilis yung timer nyo sa pag-collect ng rewards. At ituturo ko sa inyo sa ibang video. Dito sa Clipclaps, kung bago ka pa lang, makakatanggap ka ng free treasure chest or diamond chest in 5 consecutive days na naglalaman ng clap coins, raffle tickets for cash, and Amazon coupons. At ngayon, pupunta naman tayo dito sa Game Center where we can earn more clap coins by playing games, fish farming, and trivias. So, makikita nyo dito guys, may iba't ibang laro. Merong Texas Hold'em at scratchers na pwede nyong salihan pag meron ka ng 5,000 clap coins. Okay, so let's move to my favorite game, which is the aquarium, the fish farming. Ito yung pinakagusto ko dito guys kasi para siyang totoong aquarium. You can buy and sell fish, feed them every day, at habang lumalaki sila, tumataas din ang kanilang value na pwede mong ibenta later on. And there are different type of fish na nag-a-unlock sila every level. And once you feed them, you will earn pearls and clap coins. So, ngayon, punta naman tayo dito sa Brain Year where you can answer quizzes in multiple choice. Napakadali lang niya guys. You just need to start on the first level and then join the battle and answer questions in multiple choice. And each battle you win, you will earn points or clap coins. Okay, so now let's go to the last part, or way of earning cash here at Clap Coins. Just invite a friend of yours and you will earn treasure chest or diamond chest each referrals. You can invite friends using your QR code and share them to Facebook, Messenger, and other social media platform. And every friend that logs in 24 hours after registration, you will receive a notification with rewards. Pumunta ka lang sa notifications and there you can claim your rewards. So, ayan, meron tayong rewards dito. So, just click claim and that's it. You can now open the chest or the rewards given to you on the rewards area. So, click open and there it is. We have raffle tickets for club coins and cash, and also Amazon coupons with 1,000 club coins. Amazing! So now, the most important part, how are we going to cash out our earnings? And does Clipclaps really pays? Yes, they do. Just click the redeem button on the upper part of your dashboard and it will redirect you to the cash out page. So, dito makikita nyo guys, you can cash out your earnings via PayPal. And you can cash out of a minimum 0.10 USD up to $50. All you need to do is link your PayPal account and you can proceed with your withdrawal application. They will send you the payment within 3 business days. And here also you can see how much clap coins you have and you can actually exchange it to cash. So, ganun lang kadali guys. And lastly, I will show you some proof of payments from other Clipclap users. So guys, ganun lang kadali kumita ng pera sa Clipclaps. You can make use of your time earning money while staying at home. Very simple and easy. All you need is a cell phone and internet access. And you can start earning. At nag-enjoy ka pa. So that's the end of our video. And if you want to earn extra money online, subscribe to my channel now and click that notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga bagong uploads. Thank you very much for watching and see you again on my next video.